Top 5 benefits of eating lentils. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, packed with fiber and adds great substance to any dish. You might have noticed that lentils come in a variety of colors, namely, green, red, brown, black and mostly yellow. They all come from the same legume family. Cheap and quick to prepare, lentils are a great source of nutrition which provides one with great nutritional value. Let's explore the top 5 benefits of having lentils and also see if it will be safe for everyone. If you find the video useful, please click the like button and share it with others. Subscribe for more future content. 1. Support digestive system. Lentils are particularly abundant in prebiotic fiber. This allows greater digestive function and amplifies the beneficial gut bacteria which are crucial for health. A diet rich in fiber is associated with a number of health benefits including lowering the risk of colorectal cancer. 2. Better heart health. Lentils are high in fiber, folate and potassium, making them a good option for those with potential heart diseases, for example, those managing blood pressure and cholesterol. In addition, they provide iron and vitamin B1 which helps maintain a steady heartbeat. 3. Reduce risk of major diseases. Numerous studies show that having lentils on a consistent and regular basis will help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, cancer and heart diseases. The presence of phenols, a plant compound, is the reason for this. Lentils also contains a rich source of antioxidant, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties which help with your cardiorespiratory health. 4. Source of healthy plant protein. Lentils are especially useful to achieve your protein intake in a healthier manner. It represents a great alternative to having meats or fish. Protein makes a third of the nutrition by weight, thus it contains the highest protein of any legume or nut. 5. Help manage blood sugar levels. Lentils have a low glycemic index, which slows down the rate of energy supply release into the bloodstream. This helps with blood sugar level management. Furthermore, it contains high fiber, keeping one more satiated for a longer period of time. Are lentils safe for everybody? For most people, lentils are great for a better and balanced diet. However, some say that the phytic acid content in lentils make minerals harder to absorb. Nonetheless, these anti-nutrients can be reduced by soaking and cooking. Some who are allergic to peanuts also claim to be allergic to lentils, therefore do consult your doctor if required to enjoy the great nutrition provided by lentils. What's your favorite lentil recipe? Feel free to share in the comments section. Hope you have found this video useful. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.